So, in this video I'll be showing you guys how the insertion method of sorting works. So, in the beginning, this is the definition of insertion, and so we have first set index to 1 and finish index to 1. That will not mean anything at the moment. And then we have this repeat until, which has repeat until finished index equals length of word list plus 1. And so in our word list we have a blank space. We have cat, lamb, garage, mom, and sail. That's 5 words. And so that means the length of word list is 5 plus 1. So repeat until finished index equals 6. And then this will stop. So set temp word to finished item of word list. Finished index of word list. And so the temp word is set to finished index, as we know, is 1. So it's set to the very first item of the word list, which is cat at the moment. So temp word is now set to cat. And then we have set index to finished index. Finished index is 1. So now index is set to 1. Then say item, the very first item of the word list for a second. So now by using this code, it will say it'll say whatever finished index is of the list. At the moment it is 1, so it'll say the very first one of the list, which is cat. It's going to say the first one. When it changes to 2, it'll say lamb, 3 garage, and so on. So then we have this repeat until, which has the same concept. Repeat until index equals length of word list plus 1. Same thing here, except we're using the variable index. And we know index is equal to finished index. Finished index is equal to 1. So index is at the moment equal to 1. Then if item 1 of word list, which is cat, is less than temp word, and the temp word is equal to item 1 of list, which is also cat, then set mini index to index, so set mini index to 1, set temp word to the very first word in the list, of course, then change index by 1. By doing this, it keeps rotating through all of the words on the list. So now you have, it's 2, and you have, like, 2 equals length of word list plus 1. So it's not equal to 6 yet. So now we repeat this again. Go to item 2, lamb is less than, and then we have cat, because that's the first word, and it is, so, well, and then you go down, and it is not less than, so it'll keep changing it until index turns out to be 6, and it's equal to the word list. Then we have this instruction called swap right here. Swap, pretty much, this is what swap does. And in overall terms, all these scripts take one word and switch it with another word in the list. And so it starts as setting the temporary word to the finished index of word list. And as we know, finished index is the very first word. And then set temp word to item min index of word list. And that is the first word at the moment. So they're both the same one. And then you replace item index with item min index of word list with temp word. And so you just pretty much switch position. Like, this word is now gone and replaced with this, whatever this word was. And then you go over here and it will switch out this word for this word. And then we switch the finished index by 1. And then this over here, now finished index is equal to 2. And it will keep repeating this over and over every single time until it has all the words in alphabetical order. And so when this finished index, after it's repeated enough times so that's equal to 6, it will stop, and all these words will be in order over here on the word list. I already did this, and as you can see, all of the words are in order. And if we were to choose any words we like go, frog, cow, long, that's not how you spell long, lamb, maybe like apple, not how you spell apple, and one more word, man. So those are our words, and then we click 0, and then as you watch, you have apple, and if you watch, whenever you see these yellow things, that's the numbers that it's going through, looking at. So now all the items are in the correct order except for man and lamb, which are supposed to be L then M. Sometimes makes this mistake. This word should be before that one.